So today I'm going to let you into a big secret, and that's the benefit of baking with steam. So if you're a budding baker and want to make better loaves, cakes, or different types of bakes, a touch of steam can really take it to the next level with fluffier textures, higher rises, and crispier golden crusts. We've got quite a few ovens that let you cook with steam, and this AEG Steam Bake multifunction oven is really popular. It's really easy to use, just pour some water into the cavity. Then set True Fan Cooking plus steam and press the plus steam button. This heats the water inside and gives an initial burst of steam that gives a humid environment. Then set the temperature and wait 5 minutes for the humidity to build up. Put your dough in the preheated oven and the steam goes to work right away. First of all, the humid atmosphere gives an even and moist heat that makes the dough rise smoothly. Then that humid heat is going to turn into dry heat, giving you those golden exteriors and crusts, aka the perfect bake. So, if you want to take your baking to the next level, hit the steam button and taste the difference.